In this video, let's see how to create, whitelist, and transfer ERC404 NFTs using MetaMask and view them on OpenSea and Rarible platforms. Click on the About Us link in the navigation bar. Click on the Try ERC404 button in the main content area. Click on the Try It button in the main content area. Click on the Connect Wallet button in the form area. Select the MetaMask option in the pop-up to connect to your MetaMask wallet. Enter the collection name in the collection name field. Type the collection symbol in the collection symbol field. Input the total supply of tokens in the total supply field. Click on the Create Collection button. Click on the Attach Image button to upload the NFT image. Click the Upload Image button to attach the NFT image. Click the Attach Folder button to upload the downloaded JSON folder. Click the Upload Folder button to proceed with uploading the JSON folder. Click the Confirm button to confirm the upload of NFT data. Review the confirmation message indicating that the token URI has been set. Click on the Token URI has been set notification to close it. Click on the copy icon next to your ERC404 collection address to copy it to the clipboard. Click on the Confirm button in the Confirm Whitelisting section. Click on the Confirming button to proceed with the whitelisting process. Wait for the whitelisting successful notification to confirm the completion of the whitelisting process. Enter your ERC404 collection address in the collection address field. Enter the receiver's wallet address in the receiver address field. Enter the number of tokens to transfer in the token count field. Click on the Confirm Transfer button to initiate the token transfer. Click on the Confirm Transfer button to initiate the token transfer process. Token transfer is successful, as indicated by the token transferred message. Click on the OpenSea link to view the NFTs on the OpenSea platform. Click on the Rarible link to view the NFTs on the Rarible platform. Click on the OpenSea link to view the NFTs on the OpenSea platform. Click on the Art category in the navigation bar. Click on the MetaMask option in the Wallet Connection modal. Click on the Settings option in the User Profile drop-down menu. Toggle the Night Mode switch in the Settings drop-down. Click on the Watchlist option in the User Profile drop-down menu. Click on the Explore Collections button to find collections to add to your watchlist. Open the User menu by clicking on the profile icon in the top right corner. Select Watchlist from the User menu to view your watchlist. Click on the More drop-down menu and select Hidden to view hidden items. Select Inactive Listings from the More drop-down menu to view your inactive listings. Click on the Sign button in the pop-up to sign in and continue. Select My NFTs from the drop-down menu in the navigation bar. Fill in the collection address and token ID fields, then click the Confirm Transfer button in the form to transfer an NFT. Enter your ERC404 collection address in the collection address field. Input the receiver's wallet address in the receiver address field. Type in the token ID in the token ID field. Click on the token ID field to enter the token ID for the NFT transfer.